Who you meet is the single most important thing in life. You might think you're here because you met Atomy, but that's not the case. We're all here because we met Atomians. The key to success is at the seminars. This isn't just about me. There are so many people dreaming with Atomy today.
The Imperial Master Promotion Ceremony of Atomy's legendary Seung Taek is deeply moving for me.
참 여러 날이 지났다. 참 여러 인연이 있었다. 작은 만남과 만남이 모여 커다란 우리가 될 수 있게. 유 임페리얼 마스터
Taek!
나에게서 당신에게로, 당신에게서 또 누군가에게 작은 만남과 만남이 모여 커다란 우리가 될 수 있게. 작은 만남과 만남이 모여 커다란 우리가 될 수 있게.
At some point in my life, my motto became, "The people we meet determine our lives." The chairman came first, and Atomy came next. Even if I don't make money, I will not resent you. The position I hold now is the reward of my unconditional faith. Most people make the mistake of thinking, those people must be exceptional in something to succeed. If you listen to the stories of successful people, 3/4 are about their failure. But their stories always end with, "This is how I persevered and succeeded." This short phrase, this speaks for all of our lives. If any of you are disappointed in yourselves, always remember that the final successful outcome overtakes everything else. We will work actively for life. We must live well. We have Atomy to make that happen, everyone. Change your lives and succeed with Atomy, and let's all meet at the top. Thank you.